I remember the first time I came to the Dutch Caribbean. I simply fell in love with the islands. That first step on the beach, the warm breeze, the welcoming sound of the waves. I remember how peaceful I felt among the breathtaking views. And my first glimpse of the coral reef, teeming with colour and life. It was a piece of paradise that felt like home. I can't imagine losing the beauty of the islands. I want to be able to share them with my children and their children. Thanks to the local conservation efforts, the islands are as beautiful as ever. Now I can contribute to their preservation, and you can too. This holiday season, give your loved ones the gift of nature.